trains. Big trains, small trains, old trains and new, rattling and whistling.
Choo, choo, choo.
Starting from the station with a whistle and a
Hiss.
steam trains huffing and puffing like
Yes.
diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the line, warning us they're coming with a long, low.
Right.
Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the.
Check.
They shimmer and they swish with a slick click clack.
Tick, tock,
Click
tick.
clack. That's right. Coaches are coupled in a neat long chain, and engine pulls the coaches in that.
Next train.
If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the coaches rumble over on a big, strong.
Thanks.
If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to.
Stop.
It travels through a,
Tunnel.
and your ears go.
Pop.
There you go. When too many trains try to share the same,
Jack.
the signals and the switches have to hold some.
Back.
When the rail meets a road,
And
there's.
then night.
Yeah, he went night night, didn't
Wake up!
he?
Fun.
When the rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a.
Stay. Down.
Wait, let's finish the book.
Finish the story, baby.
Yeah, let's finish the story.
No.
The train rushes through while the traffic has to.
Wait.
That's right.
Choo choo wait.
Choo-choo wait. Trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivering a big load of.
Wait.
This train's for passengers. It's ready at the station.
Woo woo.
They say.
A bird.
And wave goodbye. We're going on
Treasure.
vacation. Yay!
Yay!